Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how to convert video into a GIF or GIF without installing anything. So I've been googling for that, and what I have found, and it looks like most people are using that, that's the easygif.com, and I've tested that, and this is my result. This is what I have found. So the question is, of course, is it good, is it working, is it safe? So that's the website here. When you click on video to GIF, by the way, I'll put down the link to this website into the description, so you can just click on it and use it from here. So they are saying it is free to use. So again, we click on video to GIF and we choose the file here, and then we click on upload. I've already done this, and this is the result. After that, you will get some more options here. You can choose from these options, and then you can click on convert to GIF, and then it gives you an option to download. I think it's not here anymore, but you will see it after you convert it to the GIF. You have also different options here again. So really a lot, really nice, very similar to a program which you download and install, but here you don't have to install it. When we go down to the about and contact, they will tell you, yeah, it's everything free and so on. You can read that. The thing is, there's not much information about that. I wish there would be more information about this website and why they made it and how they made it, what their intention is. But at least that they have their tweet account, and I've checked one of the latest tweets, and it got some nice comments. Nobody is saying, yeah, it's just a virus, it's a scam or whatever. When we check the website itself, I've been checking the website for safety, and everybody, or like all the website, the checker website, have been saying it's okay. Just one thing which I don't know, said it's malicious. So I don't know if there really is something. And also people commenting, I mean, they're not a lot, but they're said safe and sound. Yeah, okay, that's not much, but unfortunately we cannot get more information about that. But you can see there are a lot of famous checkers, even Kaspersky and some very large antivirus websites, and they are all saying it's safe. Then after downloading this, I have uploaded also the file, then the GIF, which was the result of the conversion. I've uploaded this, and this is the detection. So it looks like they haven't built in a virus into the GIF, which would be the most dangerous thing. I mean, I have no clue if this would be possible, but yeah, you can build virus into many things. There's also the Trustpilot. I haven't seen anybody saying bad stuff about that. I mean, you can always do good fake reviews, but you cannot get rid of the bad reviews, but we cannot find any bad reviews. The only thing is then the result. When I click on that, and by the way, it's very small. I mean, the video was about 42 megabytes, and the result is only 6.23 megabytes, which means also nice compression. But when I double click on it, and that's the Picasa, and it doesn't play it, but of course there are other options to open that. Let's say it's the built-in photos, we can open that, and it's playing it right away. But what we notice, it's playing it without sound. I mean, there's an option on the website to tell that you want to convert it without sound. I didn't choose that, and it should have been without sound, but I cannot hear any sound. If sound is important for you, I don't know, maybe it's not working. But it looks like everything is done nicely. It has been working good so far. Definitely no virus found or so. Here it is also on Google Photos. You can see the details, 6.5 megabytes here. And it's also playing, but also playing without sound. So it looks like it lost the sound. But apart from that, it looks like it's working good. I really haven't found anything suspicious, dangerous or so. So I would say at least at the moment you're good to go to use it, and that's already it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.